Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this beautiful looking Revlon ColorStay Matte Lite Crayon. So I got this in the shade Lift Off and I picked this up at Walmart recently. This was part of my new makeup that I found at Walmart haul, which that video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. And I love finding long-lasting lip products. I mean, I love a lip gloss and like a bullet stick type of lipstick, but I just find myself reaching for those long-lasting lip products most often. So this one sounds like it should be really great for that. This comes in a bunch of beautiful shades, and at Walmart this cost, let's see, I keep forgetting the price, $8.97. So it does say it has a built-in sharpener, yes, on the bottom here. I love that. And then the product itself, a twist up crayon. Let's start out with a swatch. I'm so excited to see what this shade looks like. Online, the shade Lift Off looked very bright, but in person it doesn't look quite as bright. Also, like, this actually has a pretty strong smell to it. It smells nice. It smells minty. Like a sweet mint. That is very surprising. I was not expecting that. But okay, back to the swatch. Oh, beautiful. I love this shade of pink. It's actually a little lighter than how it looks in the packaging, but not as bright as it looks online. We're going to be able to tell better once I apply it to my lips, but seems to have good pigment, creamy formula. And I love lining my lips. And so I love that this is a 2-in-1 pretty much with the lip liner and the lipstick. So first I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Oh my gosh, it just glides right on. You barely have to touch it to the lip for it to show up. Full pigment and just smooths right along. Pretty easy to line the lips. The thing is, it is so like creamy and pigmented that you have to be very careful where you place the pencil because it's going to draw there. But now let's see how it is when I fill in my lips. Wow, so quick and easy to fill in the lips. Oh my gosh, this color. It's like the ultimate Barbie pink. So beautiful. It almost has a little metallic sheen to it, like a very beautiful finish. It's not, it says matte light crayon. I would not consider this to be a matte finish because it has a little bit of shine, but it looks so flattering on the lips. I have dry lips, but you cannot tell at all with this. This does have some nourishing ingredients in it, and my lips look smoothed out. It's even color. Wow, this looks so beautiful from the color to the formula, and I was able to get a little bit more of a symmetrical shape because I slightly changed my upper lip shape when I was lining, but you can't even tell. Oh my gosh, this is so ideal. I hope this is long lasting like it claims because I seriously want my lips to look like this all day. The most beautiful, flattering color. I think first, let's see. Okay, a little bit of smudging at the bottom there. Maybe a little bit coming off of my finger, but not as much as I was expecting. Let's do a kiss test and see. Okay, that is not very much at all, considering how creamy, like I can still rub my lips together and it feels creamy. Yeah, that is barely any transfer. Wow. This is amazing. Still like a slight transfer, but not bad at all. Still fully intact on my lips. Oh my gosh. I love this. And it is a very quick, easy to reapply type of product. So I am going to throw this in my purse, but continue wearing this today. And I just feel so beautiful in this lip product because of the formula and this color. It's always so hard for me to choose one shade of a lip product when I'm shopping it in the store, but I'm proud of myself for choosing this color because I absolutely love it. But since I love the formula too, I would love to get this in other shades. So if you've tried this out, maybe in other colors, let me know what you think of them. Let me know which are your favorite shades. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.